Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Tela icon theme. So Tela is a flat style icon theme like many on Linux, except it's kind of a little bit more creative, a little bit more colorful, and I think it's got a lot of promise. So to get started, you're going to need to install the Git app on your system. So Git is just, if you're on Ubuntu, it's sudo apt install git. If you're using any other distribution, just use your package manager and install the Git package, but we have more information on how to install Git in the article I wrote in the description of this video. So once you get Git working, you can go ahead and copy the source code here. So we can copy it and we can paste it here, the Git code link. And we can do git clone, and that will download the Tela icon theme directly to the home directory, which is here. As you can see, Tela is downloading. Now once it's downloaded, we could go into Tela and we can see there's stuff in here, so we've got some important stuff. So now we need to go over how to install this. So there is the system-wide directory, which is user share icons. So this that directory here, and there's also the icons directory. Now I already have Tela and Tela Dark installed in the default, or in the single user area, so in this one we're going to be installing it in the system-wide settings. And this means that everybody on your system, no matter what user, will have access to Tela. So let's start off by gaining root access, and we can do that with sudo-s. From there you can move into the Tela icon theme folder. You run the ls command. You can see there's a bunch of stuff here, and now we just do install shd user share icons, and it will install, and then we can go back into user share icons and do ls grep Tela, and we can see it's installed in the right directory. It's right there. And it's that easy. There's no need to use the mv command or do anything by hand because the program does everything for you. So that's how that all works. Now we need to activate the theme, and to do that you can right click, open up your settings, system settings right here. You can also, if you're on Cinnamon, you can right click the panel and click on themes. It's going to be different depending on what desktop you're using. But get into your system settings and access your theme settings. From here you can go to the icon area and you can change to Tela. Now this will switch us over to the Tela icon theme, and it looks pretty nice. I really think it looks pretty good. I think I'll probably still stick with the one that I've used for years, but that's just because I like things to look a certain way and I don't really like to change it. But please check the link in the description. We go over how to apply the Tela icon theme on every major Linux desktop, and we also go over how you can install it in depth if this video wasn't enough for you. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.